I'm gonna show you how to easily blur moving objects inside Premiere Pro. Stick around. Here inside Premiere Pro, I already have my clip down on the timeline, but also keep in mind that you don't have to just use this for moving objects. You can also use this for like logos and things like that you may want to blur out in your videos. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is go over here to the double arrows, go down to effects, and I'm gonna type in Gaussian blur. And I'm going to click and drag Gaussian blur onto my clip. Next, I want to go up under effects controls. I want to go down here to where it says Gaussian blur, and I'm going to click on this little circle here. That's going to create an ellipse mask on my video, and I'm just going to bring that over her face, and I'm going to downsize this because I'm going to be tracking this mask here in just a minute. Then what I want to do is make sure that I have the playhead at the very beginning of the timeline. I'm going to go up here under this mask and I'm going to click this play button here. And what that's going to do is going to track her face to that mask. And I want to make sure that I'm paying attention to that the entire way through the clip, because if it starts to go off of her face a little bit, I'm going to click this stop button here. Now that the mask is starting to move away from her face a little bit, I'm just going to press that stop button, click over here and adjust the mask so that it's back covering her face again. And I'm gonna go back over here and press the play button again. Continue to monitor that just to make sure that it covers her face the entire time. If it does come off of her face again, just repeat those same steps. Once your mask has been tracked, what I like to do is just grab the playhead and kind of skim through this one more time just to make sure that it's covering her face the entire time. That looks pretty good to me. Then what I'm gonna do is go back here under effects controls and I'm gonna add in that blur. So now I'm gonna bring the blurriness up to about 40, and I wanna bring up the mask feather just a little bit, I'll say about 20. And then I'm just gonna let it play back. Continue to perfect your skills by checking out this video. Edit like a pro by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next video.